Good morning, traders. It's my joy and pleasure being with you this morning. This morning we are opening up at the end of the minor trend. We identified this level ahead, in advance, from yesterday morning. Let me remind you what the charts looked like yesterday morning. Here we are. This is the price yesterday morning. This is what price looked like. Price reached the end of the minor trend, 27,400 level, bright pink line. We identified the price is heading higher, and we identified that outside of decision point 2, where price will reverse. Correct? We knew all of this in advance. Has price done this? Of course. Price struggled at the end of the minor trend for 6 hours. Last hour market cross, price skyrocketing to the next level. And where did the price reverse from? Shock or not? In the vicinity of reversal zone, which intelligent strategic alpha Fibonacci trader knows. This is not the place to buy, this is a place to short from. This morning, day after, we are at the brick wall again. Intelligent trader knows what to do. Intelligent trader understands. This is ultimate brick wall. This is a problem. This level next. All hours and days in advance. And if I convert this chart to 5 minutes, this is what played out. Shock or not, all I identified. Hours and days in advance. This is 5-minute chart yesterday. The entire day. Last hour price skyrocketing through. Selling off in European session. This morning we're at brick wall again. Multiple signals are on. Intelligent traders are done on this stunning, incredible morning. Take a look what alpha Fibonacci traders have done. So this is what students have done. Carry killing it. S&P 9 out of 10 trades. Carrie just started the course on Sim over the last 7 days. Flawless. Pablo. Listen to Pablo's podcast, I will guide you. 17 points on S&P, 19 points on gold. Steve is a rock star. Steve tripled his account since starting the course. 102.25 points, 3 lots on Nasdaq this morning. Done practicing his skills, 42 points Dow on Sim. Sanjeev killing it, trading live, Dow, as Steve shares. Very powerful, old-fashioned, trading Fibonacci. Gene is a legend, trading stocks and options. Futures, SPY, QQQ, AMD, FES. Using butterfly risk reversal option strategy. Very powerful with alpha Fibonacci system. You decide what you want to trade, choice is yours. When price comes to the end of the minor trend, intelligent trader knows it's a brick wall. All of these traders different account, all of these traders trade different instrument, all in advance, never ever after the fact. And if price remains stuck at this brick wall at the end of the minor trend, intelligent trader will never enter into. Intelligent trader demands powerful pullback. And if I convert this chart to 1 minute, what do you see? price is stuck. This is exact same thing Apple have done in 2018 at this level, being stuck for 8 months until Apple reaches next level, as S&P have done yesterday morning, until Apple reaches next level and starts selling off as its reversal zone. What do you see at the bottom? 140, ultimate place to buy from, always in advance, never after the fact. And when Apple reaches reversal zone, it's selling off again. Identical Fibonacci levels on every instrument. Choice is yours. What you will decide to trade. That's identical level in front of you this morning on Dow. That's a major problem. We're stuck. We're only interested in powerful pullback. If there is no powerful pullback, it's a major problem. Market in a lot of pain. Intelligent trader understands that institutional bias remains firmly long. Intelligent trader understands every and any powerful pullback is opportunity to buy low. We agree? That's how simple market is. Right now, crawl is on. Price is frozen. Shorts are very, very weak. Intelligent trader understands that. So if you will decide to short the market, you will be shorting against institutions. That's a part you cannot forget. So take a look at this short from alpha Fibonacci resistance, a scanner sending, giving us alerts. Short in a progress. To the downside, this is the end of the minor trend. Remember how crucial this level is? If you're understanding and respecting institutional bias, you're treating every single short firmly as counter trend. This level is critical and crucial. Short is not on 1 minute chart. Short converted on 1 minute on purpose. For our visitors in the trading room. This is a war zone. To the downside, this level is critical. This level is not out. It confirms the weakness of the shorts. This is how intelligent trader trades with ultimate precision. If price stuck between this support and this resistance, market in a lot of pain. And if I convert this chart to 15, identical formula remains. It doesn't matter what chart you trade. This level is not out. This is your only trading range. Buyers are tired, sellers are weak. And that's the power of the system. You decide what you want to trade. And if you're trading with institutional bias, you're always ahead of the game. Here's a stunning institutional bottom in the month of March. This is the market at an exact same point at the end of the minor trend on Dow on March 8th. You will never hear on the news that market was rallying post-hold, but if you are paying attention to the chart, you knew extremely clearly. This is a place to buy from, not a place to short into. Post-hold, Dow rallies 1,000 points plus. Dow remains in exact same vicinity for the next few days. Stuck between two levels. Doing exact same thing Dow is doing this morning. on March 9th, 10th, and 11th. This was your trading range. Critical support to the downside. This is exact same thing in front of you right now. This is what we're monitoring, we're understanding. This is your trading range. This is critical, crucial level. Identical dance on Dow in the month of March, when price is struggling between these two levels. Finally, 3 days later, this level is out, Dow in free fall. Until next level. Until next level. All in advance, never after the fact. When post-hold, Dow keeps rallying from the bottom. That's exact same thing we hope Dow will do right now. That was the only option this morning. Correct? Not to buy into resistance, to short from. Clear on this? That's the power of the system, traders. This is critical moment on this short. Intelligent trader excited, powerful pullback in a play. Do you remember reversal zone here? Ultimate bottom is a place to buy. And when Dow reaches ultimate low, this is where institutional traders stepped in with vengeance. 18,000 level. One step at a time. And that's the power of the system. This morning we discussed clearly, if you will ever choose to buy into this resistance, your success rate less than 20%. Your only option to short. That's the only option this morning. And lower the price collapses to alpha Fibonacci support. That's where intelligent trader would look to buy from. This was a dream at the open. And that's the power of the system. If you know days in advance where resistance is, you have zero interest to drive your beautiful Ferrari into brick wall. Correct? Yesterday, 6 hours at this level. Apple, 8 months. And if I convert this chart to 3 minutes, this is what played out in the last few days, all identified in advance. So if this short right now starts finding buyers, it's not ideal. But this is the exhaustion of your short. Intelligent trader knows. This is a price you take profits off the table and moving your stop outside of break even. But if price cannot skyrocket through this level, it's nothing. It's worthless, bullish pullback. Intelligent trader not pulling long randomly. Never, ever, ever. Lower is better. And that's every day on every trade. You decide what you want to trade. So if you're done being a follower, if you're done being trigger happy cowboy, if you're done chasing random indicators and ready to trade method traded by institutional traders, I look forward working with you. It doesn't matter what you trade. It doesn't matter what your account size is. This is ultimate precision. This is ultimate power. And this is community of intelligent, positive traders who supporting each other. Every trader trades different instruments. Every trader trades different account. Rules are met, take a trade. I give you Ferrari. Can you drive it based on the rules? can you buy from support and sell with resistance? If the answer is yes, that's all you have to do. If these traders can do it, so can you. Price is stuck at reversal zone, but there is no buyers. We're stuck in exact same vicinity. This is junk. This is fluff. Intelligent trader knows this. No reason to be excited on longs. Nothing yet. We would like more powerful pullback to drastically lower levels. And if price is going to be stuck here in junk in chop, intelligent trader would have zero interest. Only interested in power and meaning, not junk, not baits, only quality trades. And that's the power of the system. That's what price does every single time. When price reaches alpha Fibonacci reversal zone, you never ever ever short near. You exiting your short as intelligent trader will. Every single trader who comes to me operates as a hedge fund trader with quality mentality of successful human being who operates with quality not just in trading but in life. The way you do one thing is the way you do everything. That's it. You decide what you want to trade. And if you can double your sim, you can trade live with ease. Intelligent trader has zero interest rushing, grabbing lucky point. Intelligent trader operates as Lewis Hamilton does, as Tom Brady does, as Serena Williams does, practicing first, executing on sim before going live. And that's quality trading. And that's power of precision of alpha Fibonacci method on any instrument you choose to trade. You never ever ever short into reversal zone. You exit your short. So, if you're ready to become quality trader, I look forward to working with you. If you would like to listen to podcast from Pablo, who you saw posting in this room this morning, please do. If you would like to listen to other podcasts from traders who are making this world a better place, inspiring other traders, please do. Every week we're updating podcasts with new podcast with Alpha Fibonacci traders. And if you would like to see what students say about system and how they price this system, please do. Like spending $10 on the Rolls-Royce. You learn to fish for life. I wish I found you years ago, but God's time. This is standard. Thousands of posts in the last 10 years. Choose from the option appropriate for you. 3 months group classes, 6 months private mentoring with lifetime license of software for Ninja 8 or trade for any platform. Private mentoring includes all group classes with software for Ninja 8 or any platform. Extensive video library, modules, live group classes, live guided trading is included in each package. Currently we're offering the biggest discount ever. So if you're ready to become quality trader, if you're ready to trade JP Morgan trader system, which is what I've been teaching to JP Morgan trader last year, if they can do it, so can you. You decide what you want to trade.